So somebody has asked a question, exercise 1.4, question number 11. Exercise 1.4, question number 11. So what is that? It's given to us. What is given to us? That is R is the set of real numbers. R is the set of real numbers. Q is the set of, that is, rational numbers. Rational numbers. Then what is R minus Q? So how to define R minus Q? Are the elements of R which are not in Q. First you see here, rational numbers. Rational numbers are equals to, so this is not rational, this is real numbers. Real numbers is rational plus irrational. Okay, rational and irrational gives you real numbers. So now R minus Q means what you get? Rational plus irrational minus Q. Q means what? Rational. So take all these elements which are not here. That means rationals will not take from here. So that will be what? Irrational numbers. Okay. Now we'll go to cardinal numbers and the formula based on that. So we'll take what is called cardinal numbers. That is called number of elements present in the set. Number of elements present in the set. For example, suppose A is a set A, B, C, D. So what is NA? Cardinal number means number of elements. How many? 4. Okay. Now number of elements in the natural numbers, anybody? How many are there in natural numbers? Uncountable. Cannot say. Infinity. What is cardinal numbers of empty set? That means cardinal number of empty set. Nothing is there. 0. Okay. So formula you see on this. Now look here. Suppose A is a set, B is a set, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, what is A? That is 1, 2, 3. Then what is NA? 3 elements. Okay. B. What is B? 3, 4, 5. What is NB? Also 3. What is A intersection B? How many elements are there? Only one element. What is number of A intersection B? That is 1. Okay. Now, if I write what is A union B, what will you write? A union B, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay. What is number of A union B? That is 5. Now observe here. Number of A union B is 5. 5 elements. Na is 3. Nb is 3. 3 plus 3 minus 1. 3 plus 3 minus 1. You are getting 5. So the first formula you got. So you got here formula. Number of A union B is Na plus Nb minus Na intersection B. This is the formula I got. Okay, if A and B are disjoint sets, that means number of A intersection B will be disjoint means what? No common element. This is A, this is B. No common element. That means number of A intersection B is 0. Therefore, number of A union B is Na plus Nb. Okay. So, let's start. A few question on this is given in your exercise 5.6. Sorry, 1.6. Look at there. Suppose we have a question. Suppose we have a question that is 1.6 you have. Question number 1, suppose. That is X and Y are two sets. X and Y are two sets such that number of X equals to 17, number of Y equals to 23, number of X union Y, number of X union Y equals to 38. Find number of X intersection Y. Okay, union formula we write. So the formula is number of X union Y Nx plus Ny number of X intersection Y. So imply this is how much? 38. Nx how much? 17 plus 23 minus number of X intersection Y. So 38 minus 50, 40. Okay, is Nx intersection Y. So implies number of X intersection Y equals to 2. Because here is also minus will come, here minus will come. Okay. So now, if I go to question number 5, suppose. Simple questions are there. You can try. If I go to question number 5, question number 5, that is X and Y are two sets. If X and Y are two sets such that what you get there is X has 40 elements. X has 40 elements. What else we are given? X union Y has 60 elements. Okay. Then what else is given? X intersection Y has 10 elements. Okay. Then what else is given? How many elements does Y have? How many elements does Y have? Okay. So what is given to us? Look at. X has 40 elements, means number of X equals to 40. X union Y has 60 elements. Okay. How many intersection has? Number of X intersection Y has 10 elements. How many elements are there in Y? But the formula is same. So formula you can write down. You can write number of X union Y nx plus ny minus n of X intersection Y. Means this is 60, this is 40 plus ny minus 10. So implies 60 equals to 30 plus ny. Therefore ny equals to 60 minus 30. 30 elements. Got the point? Okay. If I go to question number 7. Simple questions are there, not to be worried on this. That is given to us that in a group of now I'll take question number 8. In a committee, 50 people speak French. In a committee, 50 people speak French. I think French, yeah. Then 20 speak Spanish. 20 speak Spanish. Then 10 speak both Spanish and French. 10 speak both Spanish and French. Okay. Then how many speak at least one language? So how many speak at least one language? Okay, what I'll do is I'll add 2 more questions to this, so this will be clear to you. Second part, so I'm adding here only French. Third, only Spanish. Fourth, only one language. Okay, so this will clear everything from here. So if I write, let's make two sets. This is French, this is Spanish. 50 you write here on the border. This is 50. Then you find 20 is this one. 20 means this total is 20. 10 speak both. Okay, look at here. Number of F equals to 50. Number of S equals to 20. Number of F intersection S equals to 10. At least one language means, at least means union here. Means either French or this or both, means total you are talking here. So total you are talking means number of F union S. That is NF, NS minus N of F intersection S. This is the value we can put and find out. Now come to this one, only French. Only French part is this one, look at here. This is called only French. Only F. So how to find? Now total minus 10. Second, right? Number of only French is 50 minus 10, that is 40. Then comes up only Spanish. Only S. Only S is this one dotted part. This is only S. How to find only S? Now from total, if you subtract 10, you will get this only S. So that will be 20 minus 10, that is 10. That means this part became 10 for you, this part became 40 for you. What is that? Only one language. Only one language means not both. Means only French, only Spanish. That means 40 plus 10. Okay. So you can write only one language that is which part? This part is one language, this part is also one language. That means this part is 40, this part is 10. 40 plus 10. Okay. So when three sets are given, what is the formula? Look at here. This is suppose set A, this is B, this is C. Remember this part is A intersection B intersection C. Okay, if I take what is number of A union B union C, then that will be number of A, number of B, number of C. First three, 1, 2, 3. Then minus number of A intersection B minus number of B intersection C minus number of A intersection C. Then this part plus number of A intersection B intersection C. Okay, based on this, let's do one question. So, might be given. Let's check. I think it is given in your example, so you can try, but I'll write one question from my side. Or I can show you here. In a survey of 60 people, let's take one question also given in your textbook. You can try. Example is given. I am taking one question from my side. In a survey of, means total number of people 60 people, what you find? It was found that 25 people read newspaper ads. 25 people read newspaper ads. 26 read newspaper T. 26 read newspaper T. Then 26 read newspaper I. 26 read newspaper I. Then 9 read both H and I. 9 read both H and I. Okay. Then 8 read both T and I. 8 read both T and I. Then 3 read, okay, 11 read both H and T. Okay. Then 3 read all the 3 newspapers. 3 read all the 3 newspapers. Okay. Then find number of people read at least one newspaper. Okay. Then comes a number of people who read exactly one newspaper. Number of people who read exactly one newspaper. Okay. So if I draw the diagram, it will be clear to you. The question is already given to you. I have to draw it. See, there are total number of 60 people. Universal set is universal set U. That is 60 given. Number of U. You can write number of U equals to 60. There are total number of people. So there are 3 groups you are finding. 1, 2, 3. Or if I make it bit bigger, 1 2 3. This is H T. This is I. Okay. Well, let's collect the data, then it will be easy for us. That is given you 60 people are there. So that is 25 people read newspaper H. This is 25. Number of H equals to 25. Number of people those who read 26 as T. Number of T equals to 26. Then 26 also I. Number of I equals to 26. Then you are given 9 read H and I. 9 read H and I. I means intersection. Then 11 read H and T. Number of H and means intersection T 11. Then comes of 8 read T and I. T and I. And all the three HTI 3. How many read? At least one. At least one means number of H union T union I. So if you want to solve it by formula, then it will be NH NT NI minus N H intersection T H intersection I T intersection I plus number of H intersection T intersection I. Means this formula I gave you. All the data is given. So if I put, what shall I get? Then you will get number of H union T union I. NH is 25 plus NT is 26, then plus 26. Okay, these three parts gone. Then what else you will find is, then you are finding H intersection T. Look, H intersection T is given 11. So minus 11. Then H intersection I is minus 9. Then minus 8. Then plus 3. Plus 3. So that gives you, this is how much? 70. 77. Plus 3. So how much you got? That you got is 80 minus 28. 52. Okay, you can check it again. Yeah. But we'll try to solve in different method. Look at here. Second method. Second method is OR. Look, all the three part first you put. All the three parts given how much? 3. H intersection T intersection I equals to 3. Look at this part is 3. Got it? Now look at this part. This part is what? This part is H intersection T. So what is your H intersection T? If you check here, H and T 11. H and T is I think 11. The 11 means 3 is gone, means this part will be 8. Then comes this part. Look at this part is HI. This part HI, H intersection I. H intersection I is given how much? If I go to that, 9. 9 means this 3 is gone, this will be 6. Okay. Then comes which part is left out? T intersection I. This part, T intersection I. So T intersection I is given how much? 8. So 8 means 3 is gone, that will be 5. Okay. Now come back to this part. Only H. Only H, anybody? What will be only H? Number of only H means from total 25 you make minus which one? 8 plus 3 plus 6. How much you'll get? 25, 8. That means this part became 8 for you. Number of only T. Only T means this part. How much you'll get? 26 minus. This is 26. 26 minus 8 plus 3 plus 5. So that is 26 minus how much? 10. This became 10 for us. Okay. Number of only I. Only I means, look at this part. This is your only I. So total is how much? 26. This is also 26. 26 minus 6 plus 3 plus 5. That is 26 minus 14, 12. Okay. Now you have got 52 or not. So let's find this way this is coming 52 or not. So number of H union T union I. Union means all you have to take. All means 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. All the 7 parts. That means 8 plus 8 plus 10 plus 5 plus 12 plus 6 plus 3. Add it. How much you are getting? 16 plus 10, 26. 26. 52. Okay. So this is also second method. Now second part of the question is exactly one newspaper. So second part of the question is exactly one newspaper. So that will be exactly one means, look at here. This is your exactly one. Nothing is there. That means only H. This is also exactly one newspaper. Only T. Then plus exactly one newspaper. Only I. So it became 8 plus 10 plus 12. 30. So this year we will study only fundamental questions. Different questions are not required this year because we have shortage of time. So miscellaneous we will not do. So tomorrow we will start a new chapter.